So in this video we'll discuss how to differentiate the parasite eggs. Okay. So first it is in Trichuris trichura. So first remember it will be having an outer shell and inner shell, and there will be an embryo or the ovum. The main important feature is it will be having a mucus plug at the both the ends. So this is a only differentiating point for the Trichuris trichura. Okay, so there will be a mucus plug at both the ends. So with this we can easily differentiate between the other eggs of the parasites. So that's all. And this will be usually oval in shape only. Okay, so oval in shape, outer and inner membrane. So the key point here is it is a mucus plug. So next, it is a bile strain and it will be floating in a saturated salt solution. I think you don't want to remember this for time being. There is a separate mnemonic and I will be posting it in the video. So next, it is an hookworm egg. So again here, this is one of the easiest egg to identify. So first it will be having the eggshell that will be an oval in shape. So again here the key point is the hookworm will be having a 4 segmented ovum. Okay, this ovum will be segmented. So that is called as an blastomeres. So with this you can differentiate hookworm. And between this blastosmere and the outer shell there will be a clear space. So the main key point over here is this is a blastomere, that is has a segmented ovum. That's all. In Trichuris it is a mucus plug, and in hookworm it is a segmented ovum. So next, again it is in bile strain, and here it will be floating in a saturated salt solution. Just for completion's sake I am saying this, and there is a separate mnemonic for that. About Enterobius vermicularis. And this Enterobius, it has a typical shape that it will be a plano-convex. Okay, so one side it will be like this, plane, and another side it will be in convex. Okay, so the main typical finding is it is in plano-convex egg, and it will be having an outer shell membrane and the outer shell, and it will be having a developing larva inside. So here the main key point is that is a typical shape, the plano-convex, and again it is in non-bile strain, and it will be floating in a saturated salt solution. It is in Ascaris lumbricoides. In this there is a 2 eggs. Okay, like it is a fertilized and the unfertilized egg. So how we can differentiate this? So first remember there will be an outer albuminous coat. In fertilized egg, the outer albuminous coat will be well demarcated, and there will be an unsegmented ovum, and there will be an outer shell. So there will be clear space between the ovum and the outer shell. Okay, and it is a bile strain, and it will be floating in a saturated salt solution. So if it is fertilized, just remember it will be like perfect. So it will be having a well demarcated albuminous coat, and there will be a demarcation will be seen, that is between the outer membrane and the ovum. Whereas in unfertilized egg of Ascaris, we can't make out the albuminous coat, and it will be somewhat not well defined in the egg. See, here it is a well defined, you can make out, but here you can't make out, and there won't be any ovum. Okay, and there will be a lot of granules will be there. That's all. So with the albuminous coat you can clearly make out, and here the shape also you can make out in the fertilized egg, whereas in unfertilized egg it will be somewhat oval in shape, and you can't make out any structures inside the egg. Next, it is in Hymenolithus nana. Okay, so and here the egg will be round to oval in shape. It will be having an outer membrane and then there will be a hooklet. 3 pairs of hooklets will be there. Okay, so it will be having an outer membrane and inner membrane, and there will be 3 pairs of hooklet, and there will be a polar thickening at the both the end. So this is a thickening and this is a filament. You can make out this filament, right? And there will be plenty of yolk granules will be there. It is for the nutrition for the developing egg. So that's all. And in this you want to make out the hooklets and polar filaments. With these features you can easily differentiate the H. nana, and again it is a not bile stain egg. Thank you.